All right, back at it with the same pallet. I can't remember if this is video 6 or 7. As you can see, I'm running out of room on this little desk thingy, and there is still probably a third of stuff left in there, and there's still a lot of tiny items, which is going to add up to a lot of money, which makes me happy. So we're going to keep going. I'm going to finish this box tonight, and yeah, hopefully we get some more good stuff. It's been epic. Here's a Braun Precision Length, 39 settings. And a free Gillette Fusion razor blade. That's weird. Why would it put in its competition? Very odd. But I'm gonna try to fly through this stuff because this is the longest video I've ever done. I'm gonna say 30 to 50 new. Sweatpants. These are probably easy $10 online. That's crazy. Oh, what is that? What do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? I think we have another sex toy. Massager and Beauty. And both black labels are sealed. Ugh, I'm just gonna peek at it. This is definitely a dildo. I don't want to open it. Ooh. It looks brand new, and most people are not going to return a dildo, let's be honest. And then put it back in the wrapper. So, Matt, my brother, I'm going to give you all these sex toys and you test them out for me. Not physically, but make sure they work. And then we'll split the profit. That's my second sex toy on this. Crazy. Multi-sport hybrid smartwatch. I bet you this is pretty pricey. I bet you this is $150 to $200. Yeah, there it is right there. Amazing. $189. This is, I mean, this palette is insane, and we still have so much more. Here I can tell, because there's no branding on the outside, it's just another cheap set of earbuds. However, these probably easily can get me $10 to $20 a pop, depending on if they work, which most of them probably do, and it'd be a quick, easy sale, so I'm fine with that. I have a feeling I'm stacking this up too much, and you guys can't see as much as you would like. I mean, look at these freaking things. This was on a previous part of this video. It's $800 and $500 for these watches. Amazing. Another set of Galaxy buds. These are $150 each retail. This is my fourth one. 4 of them right there. This is just called Fashion Watch. That's pretty cool. Geneva. Isn't Geneva some kind of big brand? Obviously, if it is, and this type of box is probably, or it's going to be a knockoff. Yeah, it looks fake and cheap as hell. No idea on this. I will set it aside just in case I'm wrong, but I highly doubt I'm wrong. Samsung buds, but this feels light. I think it's missing it. I hope I'm wrong, but I think it's missing. Yep. So somebody returned it without the damn box. I mean, without the actual thing in there. And all the ear things are missing. Freaking crooks. This just went from 150 retail down to 0. That sucks. But I do have one of these colored ones outside of the box, so I'll keep this box and put it in there. Another AirPod knockoff. Ooh. Oh, yes! Another one, guys. This one's black with the thing on. Amazing. This is like $500. That one right there, $550. Absolutely mind-blowing. 3 of them. Just these are paying for the entire pallet. Here's another great item. Never had these, but I know B&O is an expensive brand. Body odor. Please be in there. Yep, they're in there. Awesome. These are easily $200. I'll look it up, but I know B&O is very expensive. And who doesn't want to pay a lot for body odor? That's what I have on my truck, B&O speakers, and I think they sound great. $142. I can't even add up how much this pallet is worth. I am going to probably quadruple my money, if not more. What? Oh my god, there's freaking protein donuts. Oh, should I try one on camera? What do you guys think? When does it expire? Oh, they're expired. Best by 3/23 of 20. Let's see what they look and smell like. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like a birthday cake. You know what? I do it for you guys. Do I have protein nut? Cake batter. Okay, no wonder why it smells like that. I'll try it just for you guys. Here we go. Okay. I tried it. It's probably still perfectly fine to eat, but for my third one, the first 2 are brand new. This I'll check later, but this was like an $80 trimmer. So it's a good trimmer. Oh, cool. That's a SteelSeries gaming headset. Awesome. I like getting game stuff in this. The seal's been broken, and I think these retail for right around $50. It's the Arctis 3. That's a cool find. I like that there's gaming stuff in here. Oh, wow. 2 more Instant Max. You know, those portable cameras that print. This is probably my 5th or 6th one. Awesome. Those are probably $50 each. Another one blade. These retail for $80. This is like my 6th one. $10. Oh, is this Beats? Power Beats. Cool. Don't know if they're real. But these are all Amazon returns, meaning I believe Amazon themselves had to sell these, not like a third party, so I would assume these are real. And they're full of delicious earwax. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm not sure, I'll have to look this up later, but Power Beats, I'm just going to say on the low end, these are probably, what, $30 to $50? I think they're only about 30 to 40 new. This one's been opened, so chances are it's going to work fine, but probably about $20 to $25 locally, which